What is the great purpose of faith? And how does it protect us against sin?
Above all, taking the shield of faith, wherewith ye shall be able to quench all the fiery darts of the wicked. But let us, who are of the day, be sober, putting on the breastplate of faith and love, and for an helmet the hope of salvation. Whosoever believeth that Jesus is the Christ is born of God, and every one that loveth him that begat loveth him also that is begotten of him. By this we know that we love the children of God, when we love God and keep his commandments. For this is the love of God, that we keep his commandments, and his commandments are not grievous. For whatsoever is born of God overcometh the world, and this is the victory that overcometh the world, even our faith. That the trial of your faith, being much more precious than of gold that perisheth, though it be tried with fire, might be found unto praise and honor and glory at the appearing of Jesus Christ, whom, having not seen, ye love, in whom, though now ye see him not, yet believing, ye rejoice with joy unspeakable and full of glory, receiving the end of your faith, even the salvation of your souls.
On more than one occasion, the Bible compares your faith to a shield. And that shield is used to protect you from the attacks of the devil, our common enemy. Remember, faith comes by hearing the word of God. We hear what God says, and we act accordingly. And this protects us from the devil's attacks. Think back to Genesis chapter 3. God had warned Adam and Eve that if they ate of the fruit from the tree which was in the midst of the garden, they would surely die. The devil told Eve that they wouldn't. If their faith in God hadn't wavered, there would be no sin in this world. Think about that. No death, no disease, no thieves to rob and kill, no drugs to rip apart families, no children abused by their caretakers. No need for Jesus to die and shed his blood on our behalf. This is why faith is the victory that overcomes the world. So, what is God telling you today, my friend?
Jesus said unto her, I am the resurrection and the life. He that believeth in me, though he were dead, yet shall he live. And whosoever liveth and believeth in me shall never die. Believest thou this?
The question remains the same for you today. Do you believe what Jesus has said?